बेसिकली क्या है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के पास पावर एंड डिस्क्रेशन है, राइट. You become administrator, you have power, authority, and you have discretion. Right? Power corrupts, absolute power corrupts absolutely. This you should know. If power is not checked, it results into corruption. It results into misuse of power. No, it is well tested. If you want to test anyone's character, give him power. Abraham Lincoln also says, and it is a very popular statement. Power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. This. Now, since administration was given power, it has discretion. Discretion means autonomy to take decision. So you have lots of autonomy to take decision. You can give contract to anyone, you can hire some people in district, right? You can implement and you can decide some beneficiaries. So a district magistrate has still lots of discretions they have. So when they have discretions, are they using discretions or misusing discretions? This. So इसके लिए हमने control लाया, control. If let's say that if power and discretions are controlled, the control will result into accountability. The control will result into accountability. This you should know. Now, traditional control was is polity. अब ट्रेडिशनल पॉलिटी आपको याद होगा. This. So traditional control is system of polity. What is polity? Legislative control, executive control, judicial control. No. Then CAG, CVC, CBI, and you have all those authorities. They all exercise control and administration. This you should understand. But you know that they have their loopholes. Sorry. They have their loopholes. So when loopholes, so we started changing this control. Change in control. And this change in control is bringing people. Bringing people in process of accountability. Bringing change in process of accountability. And for this we have introduced RTI, Citizen Charter, Social Audit, E-Governance, civil society organization. Yes. And then question is relating to this and accountability.
So Lokpal can be put in this section?
Lokpal can be put in this side itself. Additional. Because Lokpal is led by again government members. लोकपाल, CVC, CBI, NHRC सारे यहीं पे आएंगे. Traditional.
But it has not started working, so we cannot say it's kind of traditional.
No, but right, it does not matter. Traditional is not decided because it was created in past. Traditional is decided because the Lokpal as an institution, its members are also appointed by the government, and they belong to the government. They serve to the government. Hence, government institutions themselves trying to uphold accountability of government institutions. This you should know that. It is traditional. Details, when you will have time, you read in the handwritten notes, it is given. Now what has happened basically, let's say, when people have they have started participation, it has given rise to a concept called social accountability. social accountability. We have been expecting a question also on social accountability in ethics paper also. This. The social is people. Accountability means a process of enforcing answerability. So when people participate in the process of enforcing authority, it is considered as social accountability. Right. Further you read on social accountability, we will come to our question.
Welcome to LUKMAAN IAS. Study General Studies with LUKMAAN IAS for building comprehensive knowledge. GS paper 2 and 4 will be taken by S. Ansari and other papers will be covered by renowned faculties. Live classes are as effective as offline classes. The classes are highly interactive in nature. Your doubts and queries will be addressed and there will be dictation of notes. In the last 10 years, LUKMAAN IAS has set up a niche in the field of UPSC guidance.